Grommets have been used forever. But here's the product, and this is one of our tabs on a piece of 13-ounce banner material. Here's a grommet. When people see this, they think, well, a grommet must be so strong because it's made out of metal. But here's what happens. When the wind starts blowing, you know, the grommet rips out. Your customers have seen this, believe me, and you've seen banners flapping around. But the tabs, they're not going to come out because they cover such a much larger area than a grommet. The BravoTabs are one of the newer products, and it's a great product. And here's how it started. I had a customer who was using clear power tabs, and I got a call from literally, and he says, I love them. I use thousands of them. I'm thrilled with them, and I'm going to stop buying them. And I'm like, what? What's up with that? And he says, well, the problem is that I've got these neck loops on here, and I don't want my customers to go put the rope through that and hang it that way, because I know it's not as strong as going through the center hole, as you've told me. So I'm snipping these off thousands at a time, and I'm getting carpal tunnel and arthritis in my fingers, right? So I'm snipping these off. Why don't you make a tab that doesn't have the neck loop on it? So we said, sure, we'll do that, and we came up with the idea of the BravoTab. So what the BravoTab is, a clear square tab that has no neck loop on it, right? So kind of the same as all of our other products. It's basically peel and stick, put it on the corner. But it has some great benefits. For one thing, because it's less material there, it's less expensive, it's perfectly clear. But it doesn't have the neck loop on it, so that when you punch that hole, there's no question about how the customer is going to install it. The nice thing about the BravoTab, though, is because it's square, you can use it not only at the corners, but it also works great along the edges. So now you've got one tab that is kind of a one-size-fits-all. It's great for indoor, it's strong enough for outdoor, it's clear, so it works on white or full-color banners, and you can use it anywhere on the banner. So we really emphasize that product now because, again, because of the being less expensive than the clear power tabs, it's kind of where we think is the way the market's going. And a lot of customers are switching to that.